Today we are reviewing the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, one of the most advanced hypercars ever created. This car replaces the Bugatti Chiron and introduces an entirely new design and powertrain. Let's start with the design. The Bugatti Tourbillon keeps the classic Bugatti shape, but with a much more futuristic look. The front still features the famous horseshoe grille, but it is now more aerodynamic. The headlights are extremely thin and modern. The body lines are smooth and sculpted to improve airflow and performance. From the side, the car looks very elegant, but also extremely powerful. The large air intakes help cool the engine and hybrid system. At the rear, the design is dramatic. The taillights stretch across the back, and the diffuser is huge to improve aerodynamics. Every part of this car is designed for performance and beauty. Now let's talk about the engine. The Bugatti Tourbillon uses a completely new 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine developed with Cosworth. This engine alone produces around 1,000 horsepower. But Bugatti also added 3 electric motors to create a hybrid system. Together, the total power output reaches around 1,800 horsepower. That makes the Tourbillon one of the most powerful road cars ever built. Acceleration is incredible. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes around 2 seconds. Top speed is expected to exceed 440 kilometers per hour with the proper speed key. Because of the hybrid system, the car also has instant electric torque, making acceleration even faster. Now let's talk about driving performance. The Tourbillon uses an advanced all-wheel drive system. This helps deliver the massive power to the road safely. The chassis is built using a new lightweight carbon fiber platform. Despite its huge power, the car feels stable thanks to advanced aerodynamics and active suspension systems. The braking system uses massive carbon ceramic brakes to control the speed of this hypercar. Now moving inside the car. The interior of the Tourbillon is unlike any other car. Instead of a normal digital dashboard, Bugatti designed a mechanical instrument cluster inspired by luxury watches. This mechanical display is built with over 600 components and is designed to last hundreds of years. The materials used inside include titanium, sapphire crystal, aluminum, and premium leather. The interior feels more like a piece of art than a normal car cabin. Technology is still present, but Bugatti designed it so the mechanical parts remain timeless. Now, overall, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is not just a hypercar. It is a combination of engineering, luxury, and art. With a massive V16 engine, hybrid technology, and nearly 1,800 horsepower, it represents the next generation of Bugatti performance. It is extremely rare, extremely powerful, and one of the most advanced cars in the world.